what that is. Oh! Oh, Oliver, you've got a cold. Listen.
I haven't actually got anything to tell you, but I just wanted to point at you with my pipe, like pipe smoke, and I'll tell you something else.
Oh, God. That's not gone well. My eyes.
Sorry about that.
They told me that coal-fired eggs would be delicious. They were lying.
He's putting bricks in the back of his truck to weigh it down and improve the ride, isn't he?
Let me see. Does he need a lot of bricks?
Having come to the same conclusion, I decided to borrow James's complicated crane.
He's won it, ladies and gentlemen. Look, here he is. Look at that. Yeah. #1 weird crush. And the other thing, ladies and gentlemen, in the same magazine, this is actually quite poetic in the romance, because he's in the same magazine as his boyfriend. Look. Oh, Will Young. And he loves him so much. So, Jamie, you must be... I'm really pleased that you should share magazine space with Will Young, your boyfriend.
You know what you did the other day, when he still had his voice? He came into the office and he went, "Oh, have you heard Will's new single? It's fantastic."
Yeah, he loves it.
Will.
He went on about it all the time. I love Bill's new song. He does.
Can I just say?
Oh, it speaks. or sort of squeaks. Is that...
No.
Oh, that's just a noise that you deflated. What's that? Synthetic saliva. Do you need...
It means that I have just a few minutes speaking.
Oh, that's quite a lot of smoke in here. It's all collecting in my coat box. Yeah. But we're still going.
Oh, yeah, we're hammering now.
Oh.
Give it to me.
It went the wrong way.
Let me do it.
Get off.
Red crane is coming up the drive.
What?
Red crane is coming up the drive.
Right.
Just see Red Crane, show me the drive.
I was just about ready.
And even though I'd given my all,
I just coughed my lungs up.
I was eventually substituted for our Special Forces security guy, who did well, despite his pixelated face. I can see jack shit.
Oh, God, that's pretty horrible.
How loud?
Well, at its peak,
Yep.
125.2.